Look at just how beautiful that works pipe has colored in. That thing is a work of art. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm not doing really a video of the Duke itself, but something a little more exciting to me at least. So this right here, as you can tell, is a GoPro Hero 8 Black. I just picked this up today, and the reason I decided to pick this up was so that I can make more quality ride videos here in the near future. So I picked this up at Costco. If you have a Costco membership, you can get these for $289, and that's for the combo pack that you see right here in front of me. So in this pack, if I turn it around here, you can see what we get. So we get our GoPro Hero 8, we get our USB-C charging cable, we get a 32 gigabyte U3 SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, the full-size adapter for that. We get a screw-on attachment for the mount. We get one curved mount. And then we have two batteries, one stock battery and then one extra. And then you also get the floating selfie cam or selfie stick, and then a carrying case, a little storage pack. So the GoPro Hero 8 uses 12 megapixel camera. It can record 4K at 60 frames per second, or it can do 1080p up to 240 for slow-mo. It has the new Hyper Smooth 2.0, Time Warp 2.0, 1080p live streaming. You have photo modes such as Live Burst and Super Photo with HDR. You can also shoot RAW, and you can also record video in RAW, or I don't know if they call it RAW, but you can shoot it in a flat aspect, so you can do your color grading yourself. This has the new feet that fold out from the bottom. It no longer goes in a cage. It has voice and touch controls. It is waterproof up to 33 feet and has GPS capability as well. So I've already broke the seal on mine, but I haven't taken it out. I figured I'd make a video for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the package out of the box, and we'll go into further detail. All right, so sliding this out of the box, we have our carrying case here, and everything should be inside. Just go ahead and get this unzipped. I'm pretty excited about this one. I haven't had a GoPro since the Hero 5, back when I was doing like drag racing videos for the Mini. So inside of here, we have what looks like a manual and quick start guide, and our micro SD card there at the top in a little pouch. And then right here, we have the star of the show. We have the GoPro Hero 8. Looks like right here we have a Velcro soft strap that I'm assuming you can use to kind of make the inside of this case neat. We have our mount right here, or at least part of it. This is the curved mount. It's not a flat mount. You have your USB-C charging cable, your screw adapter, your two batteries, and then this is your floating carry handle right there. All right, so I decided to come inside and lay everything out on the table a little easier to view. So there's our floating carrying handle, charging cable, little divider piece you can use inside of here to make barriers and so on and so forth with. Then you have your 32 gig card, your curve mount, your GoPro attachment, the knob to screw the GoPro to this, your two batteries, and your Hero 8 device itself. You also get some stickers. This goes over storage options for their cloud service, and then warranty information and your full-blown manual. So that basically goes over the contents of this. I'm really excited to use this thing for motovlogging coming up here real soon. I'm going to go ahead and mount this on my helmet just to get a feel for it. My wife purchased the helmet mount kit separately for me today, so I already have that kind of glued onto the helmet and allowing the 24-hour period for the adhesive mount to stick onto that for a little while longer before the actual first use. I also ordered the media mod, which is kind of the new way of putting an external microphone onto these things, and it also gives you the ability to use the shotgun mic and put on some attachments when you're doing regular vlog videos as well. So if I can, I'll put a little picture of the media mod right here in the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then I'm also waiting on the purple Panda lavalier mic that comes with some nice accessories, including a full dead cat windsock for inside your motorcycle helmet to reduce the wind noise down to practically zero, and we should get some nice clear audio as well. So I'm really excited to get this thing working and running here soon. All I need is that media mod to show up and my lavalier mic, and we'll be good to go for motovlogs from this point forward. So here's the Hero 8 mounted to the front of my helmet. This is an Icon Alliance GT helmet. The curved mount fits fairly well on the front of here. There's some tiny gaps on the side and a little bit on the top. I'm probably going to use some black RTV sealant just to be safe, but I've heard from pretty much everybody else that has used these mounts on the front of these helmets that it should be fine. Push come to shove, I'll get one of the strap-on mounts that can go right up here up the front if I need to, but so far this thing is holding pretty strong. We'll just have to see how it does when I'm actually riding. But the quality that's going to come out of this thing is going to blow the Senna Prism tube away. So I cannot wait to start using this thing. I'm actually thinking about making a video tomorrow where I use the camera by itself, and I'm just going to dub the audio from the Prism over that. So you get the visuals from this and the audio from this, which isn't going to be quite as good as the lavalier mic from Purple Panda that I have on the way. But the visual quality is just going to be outstanding. I cannot wait to start using this thing. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.